Hello everyone, this is Disha and welcome to my channel Medical Disha. In this video, I will be sharing a few important MCQs of the unit Biology in Human Welfare. The chapters covered will be Human Health and Disease as well as Microbes in Human Welfare. Question 1. LSD, morphine, bhang are respectively obtained from A. Claviceps papaver cannabis, B. Claviceps cannabis rovelfia, C. Cannabis claviceps fusarium, D. Claviceps rovelfia and papaver. So LSD is a drug obtained from Claviceps fungi. Morphine is obtained from Papaver somniferum. Bhang is obtained from cannabis. So right answer will be option A. Second, HIV that causes AIDS first start destroying A. Helper T lymphocytes, B. B lymphocytes, C. Leukocytes, D. Thrombocytes. Answer will be A. Helper T lymphocytes. Third question, malt constitutes about -% of lymphoid tissue in the human body. It is a direct NCERT line. Answer will be 50%. Fourth, immunoglobulins serving as mediators in allergic response are A. IgE, B. IgD, C. IgM, D. IgA. And it is very easy. Answer is IgE. Next, question 5. Use of antihistamines and steroids gives quick relief from A. Headache, B. Allergy, C. Nausea and D. Cough. Answer will be allergy. Next question is, the purpose of biological treatment of wastewater is to A. Reduce BOD, B. Increase BOD, C. Reduce sedimentation and D. Increase sedimentation. Right answer will be A. Reduce BOD. Question 7. Methanogens growing anaerobically on cellulosic material produce A. Methane, B. Methane and CO2, C. Methane and hydrogen, D. CH4, CO2 and H2. Right answer will be D. Methane, CO2 and hydrogen. Question 8. What happened when we inoculated rhizobium in the wheat field? अगर हमने wheat field में rhizobium बैक्टीरिया डाला है तो क्या होगा? A. No increase in production. Nitrogen content remains same. B. A lot increase in production. Nitrogen content increase. C. Fertility of soil decrease. D. None of these. Since rhizobium does nitrogen fixation only in the presence of leguminous plant, wheat is not leguminous plant, so there will be no nitrogen fixation by rhizobium, so no increase in production. Nitrogen content will remain the same. Question 9. Mycorrhiza does not help the host plant in A. Enhancing the phosphorus uptake capacity, B. Increasing its tolerance to drought, C. Enhancing its resistance to root pathogens, D. Increasing its resistance to insects. So right answer will be D, क्योंकि जो mycorrhiza है वो phosphorus uptake को बढ़ाता है, टॉलरेंस टू ड्रॉट भी बढ़ाता है, रेजिस्टेंस टू रूट पैथोजन भी बढ़ाता है, बट वो रेजिस्टेंस टू इंसेक्ट्स नहीं बढ़ाता. दैट्स व्हाई आंसर इज डी. Question 10. A 40-year-old man complained of intensely itching scaly lesions on his skin and scalp. The doctor recognized it as an infectious disease and advised him A. To sleep in a dark and humid room, B. To keep a separate comb, C. Not to share his towel and clothes. तो डॉक्टर ने उसे इन 3 चीज़ों में से क्या एडवाइस किया है वो हमें बताना है. द आंसर विल बी B and C. Second option. Because the persons with a fungal infection are advised to keep a separate comb, and towel and clothes cannot be shared because that can be a method of transmission of disease to another person. Question 11. Entamoeba histolytica is a protozoan parasite living in first stomach, second small intestine, third large intestine, and fourth esophagus. Answer will be large intestine. Question 12. Introduction of insectivorous plants and larvivorous fishes in the water can help prevent the spread of first flu, second typhoid, third malaria, and fourth cholera. Answer will be third malaria, because the larvivorous fish will destroy the vectors of malaria, so malaria will not spread. Larvivorous fish will destroy the larvae of mosquitoes. Question 13. Transformation of normal cells into neoplastic cells can be induced by A. Physical agents, B. Chemical agents, C. Biological agents. We have to select from A, B and C the right answers. Answer will be fourth. Any of these agents can cause cancer. So answer will be A, B and C. Question 14. Cancer can be detected through various techniques. Which of the techniques uses non-ionizing radiations? First CT scan, second radiography, third MRI, fourth mammography. Right answer will be MRI. MRI uses non-ionizing radiations, whereas CT scan and radiography use X-rays which are ionizing. So answer will be MRI. Question 15. Non-cancerous cells do not divide to form a tumor because of first oncogenic transformation, second uncontrolled differentiation, third contact inhibition, fourth metastasis. We all know that answer will be third, contact inhibition. It is very easy. Contact inhibition is a property of non-cancerous cells and this property is lost in cancerous cells. Question 16. A disease associated with blue color of finger and nails is first pneumonia, second diphtheria, third tuberculosis, fourth none of these. Answer will be first pneumonia. Question 17. Internal bleeding, muscular pain, fever, anemia, blockage of intestinal passage are symptoms of first filariasis, second ascariasis, third malaria, fourth none of these. Answer will be second ascariasis. Question 18. What is common to Atropa belladonna, datura and Erythroxylum coca? First, yield cannabinoids, second, depressant effects, third, hallucinogenic property, fourth, analgesic. So the right answer will be hallucinogenic property. Atropa belladonna, datura and Erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca is the plant from which cocaine is obtained, and all the three are common in having a hallucinogenic property. Cannabinoids are obtained from cannabis, so it will not be the answer. Answer will be hallucinogenic property. Question 19. Antiretroviral therapy is advised to patients suffering from first cancer, second AIDS, third malaria, fourth tetanus. Answer will be AIDS. This is quite an easy question. Question 20. Which of the following Ig constitute the largest percentage in human milk? IgM, IgA, IgG or IgD? Answer will be IgA. Question 21. LAB produce dash that coagulate and partially digest dash. So LAB produces lactic acid that partially digest and coagulate casein. Casein is the milk protein that is partially digested by lactic acid. Question 22. Kushth rog is also called first leprosy, second diphtheria, third plague, fourth none of these. Answer is leprosy. Diphtheria is Galghotu. Question 23. What is common to whiskey and rum? First, alcoholic beverage. Second, prepared by distillation. Third, contain more than 20% alcohol. Fourth, all of these. Answer will be all of these because both of them fulfill all the three conditions. Question 24. Brandy and whiskey require both fermentation and distillation because first, fermentation is inhibited at alcohol level of 10 to 18%. Second, distillation prolongs storage. Third, distillation dilutes quality. Fourth, none of these. Answer is first. When the alcohol level reaches 10 to 18%, then fermentation is inhibited. Brandy और whiskey में alcohol level more than 20% होता है, more than 20% होता है ब्रांडी और विस्की में अल्कोहल लेवल, इसलिए फर्मेंटेशन के बाद डिस्टिलेशन भी करनी पड़ती है उसकी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इंक्रीज करने के लिए. क्वेश्चन 25. इन बायोगैस प्लांट स्लरी इज फेड इन 10 to 15 feet deep tank above ground level, 20 to 30 feet deep tank below ground level, 10 to 15 feet deep tank below ground level, or 30 to 40 feet deep tank above the ground level. Answer will be third, 10 to 15 feet deep tank below the ground level. Question 26. Ernest Chain and Howard Florey helped Fleming to discover penicillin, worked with Fleming to isolate penicillin, recognized full potential of penicillin as an effective antibiotic, coined the term antibiotic. Right answer will be third. Ernest Chain and Howard Florey recognized full potential of penicillin as an effective antibiotic. Question 27. Match the following. Statin, cyclosporin A, streptokinase and lipase have to be matched with their uses. So statin will be used for lowering blood cholesterol. Cyclosporin A is immunosuppressive agent. Streptokinase, removal of blood clots. Lipase removes oily stains. So right answer will be fourth. Question 28. Big holes in Swiss cheese are present due to production of large amount of first CO2 by Propionibacterium shermani, second lactic acid by Propionibacterium shermani, third lactic acid by penicillin, fourth CO2 by penicillium. Answer will be CO2. Big holes in the Swiss cheese are due to CO2 produced by Propionibacterium shermani. Question 29. Which microbe is used for production of citric acid? Aspergillus niger, Penicillium, Rhizopus nigricans or Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Answer is Aspergillus niger. Question 30. Bioactive molecule from which of these has helped in preventing graft rejection by the body? Graft rejection प्रिवेंट होगी जब हमारा इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स सप्रेस हो जाएगा एंड इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स इज सप्रेस्ड बाय साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए. साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम. आंसर विल बी सेकेंड, ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम. Cyclosporin A inhibits the action of T cells in our body, so they help to prevent the graft rejection.